Hello everyone, welcome to our guide on how to download the Austrian Airlines app on your Android device. With the Austrian Airlines app, you can easily book flights, manage your bookings, check flight status and more, all from the convenience of your smartphone. So first of all, on your Android device, open the Google Play Store. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type the Austrian Airlines and tap the search icon. Here you can see the Austrian Airlines app. Now click on the install button. The app will now start downloading. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once the download is completed, tap on the open button to launch the Austrian Airlines app. Press on agree and get started. You can skip if you want. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded the Austrian Airlines app on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.